Hello students, now we are going to start our MCQs of chapter 14, that is symmetry. So first question is, a quadrilateral having 4 lines of symmetry is a. Student, we know very well that a quadrilateral which has 4 lines of symmetry, which is a square. The letter Z has, we know that no horizontal line of symmetry, no vertical, so we can say that it is no line of symmetry. A figure that does not have any rotational symmetry is circle. In circle we have rotational symmetry. Parallelogram also at 180 degree, that means order of 2 rotational symmetry. Also in regular pentagon we have a rotational symmetry, but in kite regular pentagon, yes, but in kite we have no rotational symmetry, because when we rotate it at 180 degree we doesn't get the same, but when we rotate it at 360 degree we get the same kite. So we can say that kite has no rotational symmetry. Now the sixth question, the number of line of symmetry in the adjoining figure is. Student, when we divide it vertically we get the same figure, and now we can't divide it at another side of the figure, so we can say that it has only one line of symmetry. Next is, rotating a figure by 60 degree anti-clockwise is equivalent to a clockwise rotation of 300 degree, because when it rotated at 60 degree in this direction, and if we will rotate at 300 degree in clockwise direction we get the same position of the figure. So we can say that when we rotate it at 60 degree anti-clockwise we get the equivalent figure when we rotate it at 300 degree to a clockwise rotation. So option is D. Now a figure having one line of symmetry and whose order of rotational symmetry is also 1. So student, in rhombus we know that rotational symmetry and the line of symmetry is more than 1. Parallelogram, there is no line of symmetry. Scalene triangle, there is one line of symmetry but there is no rotational symmetry. So student, kite that has one line of symmetry and whose rotational symmetry is also 1. Next is, student, in scalene triangle we have no line of symmetry, and also we have rotational symmetry of order 1, but in kite we have one line of symmetry and one order of rotational symmetry. Ninth, the order of rotational symmetry of a line segment is 2, because when, like this is an example, when we rotate it at 90 degree we get vertical line, when we rotate it at 180 degree we get the same horizontal line. So we can say that this one has a rotational symmetry of order 2. Next one, the order of rotational symmetry in the adjoining figure is, this figure is rotated at 90 degree we get different figure, and when we rotate it again 90, or we can say that at 180 degree we get the same figure, and so when we divide 360 by 180 degree we get 2. So we can say that it has a rotational symmetry of order 2. Now a possible angle of rotation of a figure having rotational symmetry of order greater than 1 is. Student, for angle of rotation we should divide 360 by the given angle. So when we divide 360 by any angle we should get a whole number. So when we divide 360 by 36 we get 10, that is a whole number. So we can say that 36 is a possible angle. Next, In the word maths, which of the following pairs of letters have rotational symmetry? Rotational symmetry, that means more than one. So student, M and T both have one rotational symmetry. A and S, A has one rotational symmetry, or we can say that no rotational symmetry. In the next pair, T is also no rotational symmetry. And in next one, H and S, student, when we rotate it at 180 degree, we get the same figure. And when we rotate it S at 180 degree, we get the same figure. So these two letters have rotational symmetry of order 2. Next, the letter which has both reflection and rotational symmetry is, student, we can see H in mirror, we get the same figure. There is no difference in the reflection and the original picture. And also when we rotate it at 180 degree, we get the same figure, or we can say that at 180 degree it shows that the rotational symmetry of order 2. So H is the letter which has both reflection and rotational symmetry. Here we have completed our MCQs. Now check your progress of the chapter. So first question, draw the line of symmetry if any of the following shapes and count their number. In first shape, student, we can check that there is a vertical line of symmetry and also horizontal line of symmetry, and also at diagonals we can see that we get the same figure. So we can say that it has 4 line of symmetry. In second one, when we divide it at horizontal, we get the same picture. So we can say that this one has rotation line of symmetry of order 1. In this picture we have no line of symmetry. In next one, when we divide it, we can't find the line of symmetry in the picture because we can't divide at vertical or horizontal or diagonally in every direction. So we can say that no line of symmetry. Same as it is, student, there is no line of symmetry in the figure. Next, these options you can do yourself. Now the next question, for each of the given shape in question 1, find the order of the rotational symmetry. Also student, we have to find the order of rotational symmetry. Here we can see that when we rotate it at 90 degree, we get the same picture. So we can say that it has rotational symmetry of order 4. In the same figure, we rotate it at 360 degree, we get the same figure. So here we can say that the rotational symmetry of order 1. Same as it is when we rotate it at 360 degree, we get the same picture. So it has a rotational symmetry of order 1. In this picture, if we rotate it at 90 degree, we get the same picture. So we can say that when we divide 360 by 90, we get 4. So we can say that this picture has a rotational symmetry of order 4. Same as it is, you can find the rotational symmetry of another's. Now third, give the order of rotational symmetry of each of the following. This picture is rotated at 90 degree, we get the same. So we can say that this one has a rotational symmetry of order 4. In next one, if we rotate it at 360 degree, we get a rotational symmetry of order 1, or we can say that there is no rotational symmetry. In third one, when we rotate it at 90 degree, we get the same. So we can say that it has a rotational symmetry of order 4. So same as it is, student, you can do the another 3 parts of the question. These are your homework. So here we have completed our check your progress and also MCQs.